If working hard for 40 years actually make people wealthy, South Africa would be full of rich retirees. It isn't. Today we talk about the biggest financial lie you have been sold. Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Freedom Friday and welcome. I'm so glad that you are here today. Wherever you are tuning in from today across South Africa, I want to welcome you. And a special warm welcome to my regular viewers, Peter and Gloria and Cheryl and all the others. A high five to you all. But if you are tuning in for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Lynette Badenhorst and I'm an asset-based income specialist. My absolute passion and mission are helping ambitious professionals and traditional business owners break free from the time for money trap by building their own digital pipeline assets. In other words, I help busy entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals create recurring monthly income without selling a thing, so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can start working on their bucket lists. Now, if you are a newcomer or if you are already exhausted by the traditional financial structures of 2026, I don't want you to wait until the end of this broadcast to help. I have put together a completely free guide called The 3 Steps to Build an Asset-Based Wealth Strategy. It's a simple, logical breakdown of the exact digital systems and math we use to build recurring security without selling products or chasing people. If you want to grab that right now, while you watch, simply type the word 3-steps into the comments below or type in lynettebadenhorst.com/3 steps. I spell my name LINETtebadenhorst.com/3-steps directly into your browser. Excuse me. There is also a link right in the description of this video and you can download it to your device right now. Go ahead, type in the 3 steps and let's dive into the math of why the old system is failing. But first of all, let's look at a number that most financial planners, employers and traditional systems hope you will never actually calculate. We are talking about the 40-year plan. Go to school, get a good qualification, find a stable job or start a traditional business and work hard for 40 years. We have all been told that this is the road to financial security. Now, this traditional corporate model worked in the previous millennium. It really did. Both my father and my father-in-law worked their entire lives in the corporate market. They retired decently on a solid pension that they and their spouses received comfortably until they passed away. But let's be radically honest. That model is dead. It is definitely not working anymore. Today, people don't build up enough pension because the job market has changed. They say that in this day and age, the average person will have at least 5 different jobs throughout their working career, completely unlike the single lifelong career people experienced in the previous millennium. I remember a time when retrenchment was a word I didn't know even existed. But then reality hit. Both myself and my husband, Frikkie, were retrenched back to back in 1997 and 1998. And for 29 years, we could never find stable corporate employment again. But we had to eat. We had to survive. Today, we have actually been out of a traditional corporate market for almost longer than we ever were in it. We had to learn the hard way that companies today regularly get rid of their older, more expensive employees to avoid being responsible for paying their old age pensions. You cannot rely on a corporate system to protect your future when the system's only goal is to protect its own bottom line. But let's look at the data in 2026. Let's look at the raw reality surrounding us. I repeat that if working hard for 40 years actually worked, our country would be overflowing with financially independent, relaxed, secure retirees. But it isn't. In fact, the statistics tell us that less than 6% of people can afford to retire comfortably. The rest are forced to keep working, rely on family, or drastically lower their standard of living. Mathematically, a plan with a 94% failure rate is not a plan. It's a gamble. Today we are going to unpack exactly why the math of trading time for money is fundamentally broken, and more importantly, what the logical alternative is. If you are a professional or an entrepreneur in your 30s, 40s or 50s, you are likely feeling a specific kind of pressure right now. You are working harder than ever, but the finish line keeps moving. Why? Because the traditional economic model is built on two massive traps. First, the time trap, and secondly, the overhead trap. Let's look at the time trap first. In a traditional job, or even if you're a doctor or a lawyer or an independent consultant, your income is directly tied to your physical hours. Income equals the hours multiplied by your hourly rate. Doesn't matter if you earn 100 Rand, 1,000, 10,000 or 100,000 rands an hour. It's capped. If you stop working because you get sick, want to take a holiday, or want to travel overseas to visit your children, the income stops moving. You are the engine of the machine. If the engine stops turning, the power goes out. Now let's look at the second trap, inflation. In 2026, the cost of living isn't just creeping up, it's sprinting. If your income only increases by 5 or 10% a year, but the real cost of food, fuel and electricity is outpacing that, you are technically taking a pay cut every single year just by standing still. Traditional business ownership isn't any safer anymore either. I talk to entrepreneurs every week who tell me the same thing. Lynette, I own the business, but honestly, the business owns me. The rent, the salaries, the overheads, they eat everything before I even pay myself. And what about traditional business owners? I've been told that starting your own business is the ultimate path to financial freedom. But let's look at the reality. It's a hard fact that when you own a traditional business, you are the first to arrive in the morning and the last to leave at the end of the day. But guess what? You're also the last to get paid. You pay the rent, you pay the suppliers, you pay the staff salaries. And if there's not enough money left at the end of the month, you carry the brunt. You go without. You take the financial hit so that everyone else can eat. That isn't freedom. It's a high-stress trap. Trading your finite time for a depreciating currency inside a high overhead system is a losing formula. It's not because you are not smart enough or are not working hard enough. It's simply because the structure of the system is designed to consume your energy and leave you with nothing at the end. So, what's the alternative? It's definitely not hustling harder. The solution is a fundamental shift in how your income is generated. It's not taking on a second job that steals more of your weekends. We need to move away from active income and move towards asset-based income. Now let me explain the difference using a very simple analogy. Imagine you live in a village that has no water. Every day you can take a bucket, walk to the river, fill it up and carry it back. You get paid for every bucket you bring. That is active income. It works fine until your back hurts or you get old or you want to take a week off. No bucket, no pay. Asset-based income is different. Instead of carrying buckets every day, you use your spare time to lay a few pipes. At first, no water flows. You are just assembling the infrastructure. But over time, the pieces connect. One day, you turn the tap and the water flows automatically, whether you are standing there or not. The pipeline is an asset. True financial peace of mind doesn't come from a massive lump sum of money in a volatile stock market. It comes from having a reliable, recurring flow of income that does not depend on your physical presence to exist. Now, I know that what some of you might be thinking, Lynette, that sounds beautiful in theory, but does this actually exist in the real world? Especially here in South Africa. Now, I never share theories. I only share lived, verified reality. I'm 73 years old. I have transitioned through various careers in my life, from the corporate world to traditional marketing management to running my own artistic businesses. I know what it is to manage overheads and chase clients. But over a decade ago, I made a conscious choice to stop carrying buckets and start building a digital pipeline. As I stand before you on this day, Friday, in 2026, I'm looking at a system that has paid me a recurring asset-based monthly income for 125 consecutive months. I want to repeat that, 125 consecutive months. Think about that for a moment. Through economic ups and downs, global changes, pandemics, and even local changes, that income has arrived every single month without a single miss. Next month, it will be month 126. Now, I don't say this to brag. I say this as a point of pure logic and legal compliance. I'm an independent contractor utilizing a verified, regulated, institutional system designed right here in South Africa. I don't sell insurance. I don't chase people with aggressive sales pitches. I'm an asset-based income specialist. My job is simply to mentor others on how to connect their own pipelines to a system that already works. 10 years is a long time. If a 73-year-old grandmother can master digital funnel systems and build a pipeline that pays you out month after month, what is stopping you? The only difference between where you are right now and where you want to be is the system you are choosing to plug in. If you are tired of the 40-year plan, you don't need to quit your job tomorrow. You don't need to risk your life savings starting a high-risk company. What you need to do is invest a fraction of your spare time into building an asset. I have created a completely free step-by-step guide called the 3 Steps to Build an Asset-Based Wealth Strategy. It's not filled with motivational fluff or empty promises. It's a logical, transparent breakdown of the exact mechanics, the math, and the digital system my team, Team Eagle, uses every single day to build recurring security. If you want to look at the blueprint, simply click the link I'm dropping in the comments right now, or send me a direct message with the words 3 steps, 3-steps. No pressure, no aggressive follow-ups. My friends, as we close this Freedom Friday, I want to leave you with one final thought. Your age is not an excuse. Your current financial situation is not a life sentence. And the economic climate in South Africa is not your destiny. I only have a matric qualification. I spent years working hard, building other people's dreams and carrying buckets. But over 10 years ago, I decided that enough was enough. I decided that my future and my husband Frikky's future was worth fighting for. It didn't take a master's degree to change our lives. It just took the courage to look at a broken system, say no more, and try something different. Stop letting fear keep you small. Stop letting a traditional job or high-stress business dictate where you sleep, when you eat, or how much you are allowed to earn. You were created for impact. You were created to leave a legacy, not a mountain of debt. If a grandmother can stand up, learn digital tools, and build a 125-month pipeline of unstoppable freedom, then tell me, what is your excuse? The blueprint is ready. The Team Eagle is waiting to welcome you. The only question left is, are you ready to stop carrying buckets and start building your pipeline? Take the leap. Claim your freedom. But thank you for joining me today. Have a beautiful, blessed weekend. And remember, you are only one decision away from a completely different life. See you next week. Bye for now.